Yo guys, good morning. If you're searching for free PSN codes and free PSN gift card codes in 2024, then you're going to love this video because I'm going to show you today exactly how to go ahead and get free PSN codes, and it is actually super easy. So let's get into the tutorial and let's get you those free PSN gift card codes. So you need to use your mobile phone for this. So you can see I've got my iPhone and I've opened up, sorry guys, I'm trying to do this looking through the mobile phone filming. And you've got to go to this website, guys, www.speedycoupons.com. So just go to this website on your mobile phone. And you can see they have lots and lots of different pages. So you need to look for the PlayStation gift card codes page. So you can literally go to the search bar. PSN gift card codes and coupons. So you can see here, guys, you can get a $100 free PSN gift card code. Now these coupons are limited. So it's important that you follow the instructions on the following screens to unlock your free PSN code. So click show coupon. Now you need to unlock your code. Now obviously these codes are pretty valuable. They're worth $100. So this prevents people from stealing all of the codes. So you're going to need to unlock your personal code. Now, I'm not going to run through the entire process, but when this gets to 100%, you're going to see a new screen, guys, and it'll tell you how to unlock your code. Like I said, I'm not going to run through the full process, but it's pretty easy. It does take a few minutes, so you need to just follow the instructions, and that's going to get you your full code fully unlocked, and you can redeem it on your PlayStation, and it's going to give you $100 to spend however you want. So that is it, guys. Head on over to speedycoupons.com and just follow through all of the instructions, and that is how you can get free PSN codes in 2024. Enjoy.